And here's the man himself. I was just giving an honest opinion about this. Let me tell you. You want to sit? You want to take a
it's fine, it's fine.
So, okay, so I'm going to tell him what I think about it. It plays incredible. It is a different beast when it comes to playing on an E string, but that's just technique-wise for me as a cello player. There needs to be some work here on the bridge. Just the A, playing the A, and when you play the A to the D, it's just it's so delicate. There's no margin of error.
I have to low down this one or to raise the A string?
Probably lower the E, or raise the A. There needs to be, because if you look right here, it's flat, right here. And like I was playing the Ave Maria, and I was just hitting the D like all the time. So I had to just be completely aware. The margin of error between A and D is almost like less than a millimeter. You can't relax your bow arm at all. So that would be it. Fine here. It's actually totally fine here, and the E is fine here. It's just if there could be something done about the A. But the playmanship of it, there's no wolf tones. It plays beautifully. It is a fantastic instrument. It feels natural at all points. After a couple hours of playing it, it felt completely natural. I think I'm going to be very I'm delicate when I play go back to my 4-string. But it's a different beast. I'm just smiles right now because I'm finished with it. But it is something that it is definitely something. I'm almost speechless, except for the bit of a thing right here.
But this I can manage here, and then you try it again, and then we see how it works.
Yes, but I've already recorded it. But it was really good to play. The sound is great. Like it sings. I'm the first to play it.
Yeah.
It got really varnished yesterday.
Completely new one. Newborn.
Completely done. I'm just so blessed to know someone like you to have built something like this, because I think honestly this is the only one existing of this quality in the world right now.
I hope so.
Anyway, so thank you for letting me play it very much. I've discovered something new about cellos so much today, and about this instrument. So fantastic. Get in contact with this guy if you want to pick this bad boy up. It's girl, whatever. Beautiful instrument. Sleeping Beauty. What would you name it? You usually name your instruments. This is the unique.
No, this is a 5-string Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, 5-string Sleeping Beauty. There it is, right there. Well, it's been beautiful. It's been a beautiful experience.
Great. Thank you for coming to Cremona.
Yeah, thank you.